What's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going to an apartment building today. We gotta take a look at a plugged bathtub. Let's see what we find.
Fourth floor.
How you doing?
Hi there.
You guys got the plugged bathtub?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm here to take care of that for you.
Awesome.
Thank you. No worries. To the left here.
Yeah.
No one's in there?
Open door. No.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna go in and close the door.
In my room.
Okay, I'm gonna be closing the door when I get in here, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. So what exactly, I heard that this was plugged and it's leaking downstairs?
Yeah, so my mom was going out. She took a shower, told me just to keep an eye on it because it was like at the top.
Okay.
And then she left. I was kind of keeping an eye on it. It was slowly going down, so I didn't really do anything. I was just kind of looking in and out, and then the guy knocked on the door saying that they had a leak downstairs.
Okay. Toilet and everything's been fine?
It fluctuates. It goes on and off where it will clog.
But like tonight type of thing?
Tonight, it was acting up a little bit.
Okay.
But nothing like to the top. It was just, it kind of just wouldn't flush, really.
Okay. All right, not a problem.
Okay.
Thank you.
No worries.
So use the K39. Yeah.
Hopefully you're not using the can.
I'm using the can.
How you doing, man?
What's going on?
Not much.
Lovely, eh?
Yes, sir. I'm getting in your eye. I don't want you to get pink eye.
I get that. It's just a...
Yeah.
There's a lot of hair.
So you checked downstairs already? You saw the,
No, I'm thinking that it was just the, it was probably leaking at the base of the toilet.
okay,
Like, because it was probably just all connected.
okay.
Probably. If you want to go down and
Yeah.
check.
See if it's still leaking?
Yeah.
And then I come back up and tell you if it's
Yeah.
still, the water's still coming? Alright.
Hello, ma'am.
Yep.
Okay. Look at all the hair I pulled out of here.
Yep.
I recommend you guys grabbing like you can grab little strainers, right? They're you can get them from the dollar store, the grocery store.
Yeah.
They usually come in two sizes, small and big.
Okay.
Small ones fit like here,
Yeah.
there. The big ones fit like the kitchen type of thing. Do recommend it, right? This goes on YouTube. It's nothing.
Whatever.
But yeah. All right.
Oh, the joys of being a girl. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know. I got well, my mother-in-law, my wife, my daughter.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So.
All right. Honestly, that didn't surprise me. Who's here like it's going out of style?
Do you guys have like a little garbage bag or something like that? I can
Yeah.
just toss this in. Everything look
No
good now?
answer.
No answer? You should be good. Everything's clear now, so
Okay.
we should be good.
Alright, good.
Anything else? Like if it's still leaking,
Okay.
that's going to be more of a plumbing issue.
Okay.
Then you'd have to call the plumber out.
Okay.
All right.
Alright, I'm out of here, brother.
No worries. Take it easy.
Take care, man.
Have a good night.
You too.
All right. You get to have that though.
Yeah.
I don't want it.
It's mine anyways, so you know.
It's not so bad. But so when did this all start? Or you said today, right?
Yeah, like usually it's okay, and I clear it once in a while, and like we're fine.
Yeah.
But like randomly, I guess today I'm just like all backed up.
So with the weekend, there's not much you can do. Especially with it leaking downstairs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta kind of do what you gotta do that way. All right, but yeah, so everything looks good now.
Okay.
Toilet's flushing.
Awesome, thank
That's
you.
running good. So, that'll be that.
Yeah, we've had issues with like this toilet for I don't know, a year and a half.
Yeah, these toilets are garbage.
Yeah.
They're trash.
Even now, this like one, as soon as you flush it, it just like makes that like sound for like a good half an hour and 45 minutes. It just like the water's low, but there's water in the tank, and it just has like a low level of water that won't.
In the bowl itself?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's going to be a venting issue with the toilet itself. Let them know about that.
Yeah, I'm gonna put in a work order of like all the stuff, like even like the tub to switch it from shower to like bath.
The diverter?
You have to like pull and twist.
Really, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to be careful with that because if you put too much pressure on it,
Yeah, my mom like can't even lift it. Like if she's having a shower, I have to come in and like pull it up.
Really?
She doesn't have the strength to like yank it.
yeah, I would definitely talk to them about it and just tell them like about that concern, right? Just they should be able to get somebody out there. They can. I know they can.
Will they? That's the other question.
That's the unfortunate part. It's like, but anyway, you have yourself a good night.
You as well. Thanks so much.
No problem. Now I can go back home. Have a good one. Thanks. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, you might also like this video or this video. And if you click on my head right here, I think, yeah, I can give you the choice to subscribe if you want. So until next time, this has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Trogna.